Did you know that a single tree can absorb as much carbon in a year as a car produces, driving 26,000 miles? Now, imagine harnessing that power, not just to clean the air, but to light up our homes. Plants have been nature's solar panels for eons, converting sunlight into energy. But what if we could tap into that process? What if your houseplant could charge your phone? Scientists are doing just that. They're exploring the magic of photosynthesis, where plants turn sunlight and carbon dioxide into energy. By embedding tiny particles into plants, they can capture this energy and turn it into electricity. Over at MIT, spinach leaves aren't just for salads. With plant nanobionics, they're turning these leaves into sensors that can detect harmful substances and even send out alerts.
What we're working on here at MIT is a new concept called plant nanobionics. We've been studying how nanoparticles can be placed inside of a living plant, how we can control where those particles go, and how they can give it unusual properties. We can take any existing plant or tree that you would find in your neighborhood or along the street to make it into an explosive sensing plant.
We infiltrate the plant with the nanoparticles, so it sits out there in the environment. And when we're interested in that area, we'll walk up to the plant with a cell phone, and the plant will send back a signal to the phone, and it's able to, via the cloud and the email, give you a real-time update of the plant status and whether there are any bombs in the environment.
Some bacteria around plant roots produce electricity when they eat. It's like having tiny power plants right under our feet. And trees. They're not just standing tall. In some European towns, trees are becoming natural power stations, lighting up streets. Companies like BIOO are pioneering this. They place special panels under the soil. When you water your plants, these panels capture energy and turn it into electricity. Your garden could soon be more than just a pretty space.
In our R&D line, we're currently developing the BIOO panel. This panel will be capable of generating enough electricity from plants to supply the lighting in parks and gardens during both day and night. It offers an alternative energy that is 100% renewable and does not interrupt the landscape. We're also working on the BIOO sensor, a sensor that will replace chemical batteries used in agriculture with biological batteries powered by the land itself. A revolution in the sector that will save on costs and make it more sustainable.
But it's not all rosy. Scaling these technologies to power entire cities is a challenge. And while the idea of charging your phone with a fern is cool, we're still figuring out how to make it as efficient as plugging into a wall socket. And white, the potential is vast. There are pros and cons to consider. Let's start off with the pros. It's sustainable. Unlike fossil fuels, this is a renewable source of energy. As long as we have plants and sunlight, we have a power source. It's eco-friendly. These methods don't emit harmful greenhouse gases. They work in harmony with nature, not against it. It's decentralized. No need for massive power plants. Every garden or park could become a mini power station. Next, let's explain the cons. Currently, these methods aren't as efficient as traditional power sources. A lot of energy gets lost in the conversion process. It's hard to scale. While a tree can power a street lamp, we're still a way off from it powering a whole city. It's costly. Setting up the technology can be expensive, though costs might decrease as it becomes more mainstream. Yet, with tech giants and researchers diving deep into this, the promise is undeniable. As we grapple with climate change, every green solution counts. So when you see a tree or a plant, remember, it's not just nature. It's a glimpse into a future where the line between the organic and the technological blurs. A future we're building, one leaf at a time. Stay curious, stay informed, and join us on this journey into the future. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights.